All right, here we go.
Alright guys, before the video starts, we'd like to thank all of y'all for helping us reach 1,000 subscribers. And if you guys have any concerns about your vehicle or any help, just email us down here and we'll help you as much as we can. So
here we have a 1988 Suzuki Samurai, and what we're gonna do this vehicle, we're gonna wrap it all around. And right here, you can tell it's all rusted. They try to bundle it up as much as they could, but we'll help them out and fix it up for them. And up there, as you can see, the rust spots, and we'll just try to fix everything up for them. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the grill right here black, and so is the bumper. And we're also gonna do the side fenders, and we're gonna do this strip right here. We're gonna do it black, and so this bottom part two, we're gonna do it black as well. And we're just gonna do body work, like right here, as you can tell, they try to bundle it up, and we're just gonna help them out, bond it up pretty good for them, make it look like it wasn't even there before.
All right, so what's the first step? What do we do?
First step, like always, we're gonna sand it down. So we're gonna get to that first.
Alright guys, so here on the hood, as you can see, they just spray printed it OD green, and right here, as you can tell, this is the original color. So if I just scratch right here, it just comes right off. And under the OD green, you can see the original color. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sand everything, so just start up new, and that's pretty much it, guys.
So I have a question. Because this is a Suzuki Samurai, is that why you painted your face like to look like a samurai, or what's going on? All right, let's just go.
Just gonna start.
Done sanding the hood. What we're gonna do now is, what I'm gonna do now is, well, I'm gonna start on this side right here, and I'm gonna work my way that way. Okay.
What's up? What are y'all doing?
Well, I'm just trying to take off this screw right here, and well, and then I'm gonna try to take these off with the grinder because it's already rusted through, and on top right here, it's all rusted. So what we're gonna do is just gonna fix it with fiberglass, and it's just gonna look completely new. So let me go get the grinder.
Guys, obviously this chain has to come off. It's really dangerous, especially being in the motor. So this chain is coming off.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you like a really quick hack, and if you guys dealing with a big hole right here, all you have to do is just grab a piece of cardboard, put it in here, shape it, cover it up, and then cover it with fiberglass, let it sit there and dry, and as soon as it's all dry, just sand it down and try to shape it as much as you can. And then on the other side, just cover it up with fiberglass, and boom, you're done with dealing with big holes. So let me go grab the fiberglass.
What's up? What are you up to?
Oh, nothing much. Just there was a metal plating here that a customer didn't want, so we just got rid of it and just taking off the little pieces that got left behind.
All right, cool.
Alright guys, so I already got the Bondo with me, and what I'm gonna do, as you can see, there's a screw holes that the customer doesn't really want. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take it slow and do it like piece by piece, so the harden doesn't harden like quick. So let me just mix it. Okay guys, so we let it sit there for a couple of hours, and as you can see, we sanded these two, so it came out pretty good. So the rest we're just gonna start sanding. Alright guys, so as you can see, they came out pretty good. And as you can see right here, we missed these holes, but we have to cover them from the back because they're just gonna keep falling off from the back. So I'm just gonna make some Bondo right now and just cover them up, and that's pretty much it for the back. So let's get to it.
Alright guys, we're done sanding up the vehicle and doing all the body work up on it. But before we get to that, we were reading our comments, and we read that we should start wearing our mask more often when we sand or do anything grinding. Thank you for the tip. We're gonna start doing that. And alright guys, right now all I'm gonna do is just blow some air on it and put some paint in it. Alright guys? So we let the paint thinner set and dry. What we started to do now, while it dried already, we started covering up what we were wearing in a spray with foil paper, which was the wipers and the lights. And we just started tapering up the little lights are here, lights here, and just anything that needs to be taped up. And what we're gonna do today is just the black, guys. We're just gonna do the black. So if it oversprays on anything where we're gonna paint green, it's alright since it's already a Raptor and it'll fade in right in when we cover the black. Alright guys, so let's get to finishing up putting foil paper on the windshield.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with everything else. What I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna add some adhesive promoter. And to be honest, the adhesive promoter that we're using, which is called Bulldog, it's really good and it's the best. So what I'm gonna do is just spray here where all the blacks can go and all the way around. So
so we let the adhesive promoter dry. Now all we're gonna do is give it the first coat. done. We did the second coat. Sorry we didn't show you guys, but that's pretty much it. We did two coats all the way around, and we also did the flares over there, as you can see them. And we're just gonna let it sit there and dry overnight. So tomorrow we'll come and we're just gonna tape up the black and spray the green already, right guys? So let's go to sleep, and then tomorrow we're gonna get back at it. Alright guys, we let the black sit overnight and it looks really good and even. What we're gonna start doing now is we're gonna tape up all the black around, and we're just gonna start spraying up the green already. Alright guys, we're already done taping up, and what we're gonna do now is just run some paint thinner again to clean it up, and we're gonna be ready to spray the green. Alright guys, we're ready to give it the first coat, so let's get to it.
Hey, Captain Osho, the fucking mask.
Oh damn, sorry, I keep forgetting. Alright guys, that was the first pass. We're just gonna let it sit there for about 20 minutes for it dry, and then we're gonna come back and give it the second pass. Alright guys, we let it sit there for 20 minutes. Now we're gonna come back and give it the second coat, alright? guys, we let it sit there for a couple of hours now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the taping and the paper. Still a little bit wet, but we're gonna take off the paper and the tape just to see how it looks.
All right, so it looks like you guys are done with this one also.
Alright guys, so we're done with the Suzuki here, and what the customer wanted was for us to just do the exterior of the vehicle, and what he's gonna do next is just take it a glass and do the interior or whatever he's gonna make it look better. So just take a look at it.
Guys, this is a total turnaround from this vehicle. It was on its way out.
Yes, it just looked really nasty.
You guys did a really good job. And that green color that you guys put on it, it's really, really, really nice.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much the whole vehicle. Pretty much done, but if you guys have any questions and you guys want to talk about your vehicles, just email us down below. And thanks a lot for your support. Thanks a lot all to you, because we're getting like vehicles in, but we just wanted a steady flow, and we'll keep our prices low. So just thank you. And
Hey, one more thing. It looks like you guys got 3,000 subscribers already.
yeah.
Oh, we really?
So I think it's pretty awesome that when you guys started this vehicle, you guys made a 1,000 subscriber video, and now it's 6 days later, and you guys are at 3,000 subscribers. So you guys are doing a real good job, guys.
Thank you guys for
Thank you
everything.
guys so much for everything, and just keep up the views, everything. Subscribe, continue subscribing, and just like and
subscribe.
comment, subscribe, everything. Thank you guys.